Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create an income expense sheet in Microsoft Excel. Here date, description, income, expense and balance column are given. In first row, the beginning balance are 50,000. Income will be added into the balance and expense will be subtract into the balance. How can we calculate the balance? Just type is equal to and select the beginning balance plus income minus expense and just press enter. It will calculate the balance. Now drag it to the bottom. Income will be added and expense will be subtract. Now calculate the total income. Just press alt is equal to and select all the cell and press enter. Total income are 40,000. Now calculate the total expense. Just press alt is equal to and select all the cell and press enter. Total expense are 19,000. Now calculate the balance here. Just type is equal to and select the beginning balance plus select the total income minus total expense and press enter. This way you can create an income expense sheet in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.